Okay, we'll do our first little problem. It says determine each amount and interest. This is not really a word problem, so we can just put the answers down. So it just says determine each amount and interest. You got A and B. So we're going to start off by finding I and N. Okay, so we're going to I compounded, so 4,800 at 4.8% compounded semi-annually. It means twice a year. So if we go to our table, so semi-annual, let's see what we do. What is our factor? Semi-annual, twice a year, divide by 2, multiply by 2. Okay, let's get our I first. Okay, so I equals 4.8% divided by 2. So that's like 2.4, which is 0.01224. Let's just double check that on a calculator. I think I'm right, but let's take a look here. So first, 4.8 divided by 2, 2.4, and then divided by 100. And our interest is 0.024. Okay, and you do the opposite. N is 4 times 2, so here it's 8. Now we need our formula. Now some of you might be smart and have it memorized, not me. There it is. A equals P times 1 plus I to the N. A equals P times 1 plus I to the N. So A equals P times 1 plus I to the power of N. Our principal. Okay, our principal, it's right here, 4,800. So it's the dollar. The I is the one with the percent symbol, okay? And the years at the end is the end when you figure it out. So we use 4,800. We'll put 4,800, 1 plus 0.024 to the power of 8. Now, it depends how you put it in your calculator here. You can just put it just like that and get an answer. Or I like to do this. I like to put 4,800, and I like to put 1.024 to the power of 8. So I just put this 1 right here, and I like to have it like this. Some of you might want to just write that down right away. It's up to you guys. Okay, so let's put in the calculator. 480, whoops, 00, it's times 1.024 to the exponent 8. Okay, 1, 2, everything makes sense, I hope. And you get an amount of 5,800, and I have to go back, $5,802.84. And $2.84. Let's make sure I copied that correctly using my calculator. 5802.84. Got it. Okay, now the next part, P or I. The interest is A minus P. Okay, so let's go A minus P. We figured out A, so let's take a look here. Our interest is A minus P. We just figured out A, 502.84, and that's in dollars. So our final answer should be dollars here. Now, this is our principal, 4,800. It's right here in the question, 4,800. So we're going to subtract 4,800, and we're going to get an answer here. Okay, so we're going to use our calculator. 5802.84, subtract 4,800, and you get $1,002.84. $1,002.84. Okay, let's go on to the next question. Okay, we got 3.25% compounded weekly for 3 years. So 35,000 at 3.25 weekly. Weekly. Well, there's 52 weeks in a year, or I can go to the table. So I is, well, 3.25, quarter. That's 25 cents. Oh, 3.25. That's how I remember. Divided by 52, because there's 52 weeks. So I go to our calculator here. 3.25, not 5525, divided by 52. That's 0.0625%. So we still have to divide that by 100. So 0.000625. Let's see if I got that right. I'm just going to put in the calculator. Sometimes I don't get the right amount of zeros in here. Divided by 100. Ooh, I can't see what that is. I'm just going to go plus 1. See, I get the 6.25e. I'm just going to add 1 into my head. I'm going to remove the 1. Then remove the 1. There's 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. Now, n is 3 times 52. Okay, let's go to our calculator here. 3 times 52. 156. Big number, 156. Now we go to our formula. Maybe I remember it. I can't remember. Here it is. A equals P 1 plus I to the n. So A equals P. So A equals P 1 plus I to the n. So P, let's see what our principal is. 35,000. 35000. 1 plus 0.0000625 to the power of 156. So that's like 35000. Let's extend this page. Sorry about that weird looking zero here. 1.000625 to the 156. Let's go to my calculating machine or my calculator here. 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 zeros times 1.0000625 to the exponent 156. And that's 3, 8. I wish that would stay on the screen at the same time. 3, 8, 583. 583 decimal, and we'll get the decimal at the end here. 2025. That 5 rounds that to a 3. So decimal 23 here. So let's go 23. There's our amount in dollars. Okay, interest is A minus P. Okay, so look, my A I just calculated 38583.23, and there's my amount right here. This number 3500 minus 35000. Okay, now we go to our calculator here. Oh, it's still up there, so I'm gonna go 38583.23 subtract 3512. Oops. 0, 0, 0, 0. And I get 358323. 3583.23 dollars. So let's put the little dollar symbol there. Okay, that's that one. Now we're going to move to the next question. And this is a word problem. So let's read it. Rachel invests $8,200 in a savings account, which offers 3.2%. There's the percents, the I, compounded quarterly for 3 years. Okay, there's our n, 3 times something. What was the amount after 3 years? How much interest? Okay, basically the same as the other question. You just have to know what to multiply and divide. Quarterly means 4. You can look in the table. So our I is, well, you look for the percent. 3.2% divided by 4. So you look where the percent is in the question. So it's right there. So you put 3.2% here. Go to your calculator. 3.2 divided by 4. 0.8. So I is 0.8%. 0.8% as a decimal, 0.008. And you do the opposite. 3 times 4. So n here is 12. Now we use our formula. And it's A equals P 1 plus I to the n. You can go look it up on the top. So P, what's our principal, our starting value? Here it is, 8,200. Let's put 8,200, 1 plus I. So 1 plus 0.008, and n, the compounding period, is 12. I'll just write one more step so I can just put it in the calculator. Okay, I put 1.008 to the 12, and now I can just type that into my calculator. So go to the calculator here. 8200 times 1.008 to the power of 12, and we get 9022777. That rounds to 78. It goes up. 9022778. 9022.78. This is a word problem. So with a word problem, you have to put a therefore statement. Therefore, the amount is 9022.78. Okay, that's the first part. The next part asks, what is the interest earned? Okay, so B part, I. Okay, I is A minus the principal. Okay, A, we just figured out 9022.78. Let's go see what our principal is. Principal, oh, 8200. It's right here, 8200. So you subtract here, 8200. Let's see how much interest we made here. So you go to a calculator here. 9022.7, 78, subtract 8200, 9022.7 subtract, equals 822.78. 822.78. So therefore, it's a word problem. Need a sentence. The interest earned, or you can put the girl's name, was, you can put Ashley instead, 822.78. 822.78. Okay, now I'd like you to try the rest of the questions. Make sure you also do these on the worksheet or do them on a piece of paper and hand it in.